Just a minute, guys. Again, recording. Yeah, fine. So in the last class, we went through with a state model. I hope how to solve the problem based on circuits, electrical circuit. If it is given, how to get a state variable equation, output equation. I hope everyone got an idea, right? Is that okay with the topic? What we covered, everyone? Good. So today we'll deal with next level of problems. See, you have two more different types of problem. What you can expect in this particular topic called state model. So once that is done, so then there is one more last topic, that is STM, state transition matrix, that we will discuss, and that will complete your model number 5. One question for exam, that is 20 marks. Okay. So you can look at the question here. So the question will be given in this form. Write down the question. Just make note of the question heading. Write the state model equation. Write the state model equation write the state model equation for the given below. For the given below signal. For the given below signal. Is it visible? Question. So it says y triple dash plus 3 y double dash plus 2 y dash plus y equals to r of t. So in the previous category, network would have given, from that would have calculated by applying mesh analysis, nodal analysis. So now we need to judge how to write a state variable equation and output equation for this type of problem. So the question is written. Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I hope everyone remember the concept of state model, right? So in order to find a state model, I need to get a state variable equation or a state equation along with output equation. So combination of that two, if I represent in a matrix form, that will be the conclusion of your state model. So now look at this. Earlier we had a concept that by seeing electrical network, I told you two ways. So by counting the number of storage element like capacitor, inductor, you can tell how many state problem it is, or count the number of meshes and nodes and you can judge. But in this, such type of option is not there because there is no network here. So what is the hint? You can see the question carefully. The dot, I hope you represent what you know, right? Nothing but differentiation. If it is single dot, it is d by dx or d by dt. Double dot means d square, triple dot means d cube. So from that conclusion, how many maximum differentiation you have? 3. So from that you can conclude the states variables are 3. I hope the first point is clear to everyone what I told.
Yes, sir.
So to debug the state variable, check out the maximum differentiation you can find. So I know you already know, right? Single dot means one differentiation, double dot double, triple dot d cube concept. So once you know it is a 3 variable state, so you need to generate a 3 cross 3 matrix to get the equation. So what is first step, guys? So you need to find a state variable. We have found it is 3. Fine. Next step is what? You need to know some assumption of your state variable. So how to proceed with that? Let me explain you. So we'll consider a state variable. You're going to consider what? You can see y dot, y double dot, y triple dot. So we'll move on with let x1 equal to y dot. So x1 is equals to y. x1 you take it as y. Then x2 you take it as y dot. Then x3 you can take it as y double dot. So this x1, x2, x3 represent what? A state variables where I need to find the equations. So you can see output y is mentioned here, and instead of u of t they are given r of t. That's all. Is it okay till here? Shall we proceed? Everyone, shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the ultimate state equation, guys? I need to know this, right? X dot of t is equals to a into x of t plus b into u of t. So this is my state model equation. So I want x dot of t. So it means what? I need to find what is x1 dot of this, x2 dot of this, x3 dot of this. Then only I can fill the table. Agree? Everyone agree till here? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now tell me what is x1 dot equals to? What is x1? For that I should put differentiation. That is going to become x1 dot. What is x1 dot equals to?
dy by dt.
Y dot,
D1.
right? D1. X1 equals to y no yaar. So if you do differentiation for this, so x1 dot is going to become y dot. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So from the assumption what we have made, what is y dot can be written as? Is it x2?
X2.
Good. So we got an answer for my first one. X1 dot is equal to x2. See, this you are used to in the earlier cases as by applying KCL and used to find, right? That is not required. It's a simple problem, correct? Straight away apply the logic by making assumption of state variable, perform differentiation. What assumption you have made, that answer you can dump here. So I got x1 dot easily as x2. Any doubts? Anyone till here? Any doubts? Anyone till here?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed? So now you tell me what is x2 dot, guys? What is x2?
X3.
X2 says y dot. If we do double differentiation, so it's going to become what?
X3.
X2 dot you can write as y double dot first. So what is y double dot? Nothing but x3. So I got x2 dot as x3. I hope you're understanding the things. Shall I proceed? Everyone, shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you should tell me what is y3 dot equals to. So y3 is y double dot. If I take y3 dot, it is means triple integration, differentiation, right? So I can write it as y triple dot equals to. Now tell me how to find y triple dash. You have substituted y dash as x2, y double dash as x3. Now what can be done if it is y triple dash? From where I can get the answer?
X2
Just
into x3.
pardon?
X2 into x3.
Look at here. Look at the question, guys. So from this question, can I get my y triple dash or not? See here, y triple dash everywhere plus is there. If I transfer all this towards my RHS, do we get that answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Am I clear till here to everyone? Is it okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
from this, tell me what is y triple dash, guys. So I'm going to keep my y triple dash in LHS. Remaining all I'm pushing towards my RHS. So it means what? See, this is nothing but u of t as I told you, right? So if you go in order, first x will come. So instead of x, it is y. That's all, nothing else, right? So let's try to substitute that. So minus 3 y double dot minus 2 y dot minus y plus r of t. Correct? So do you have any simplification further can happen? It is possible, right? So we can conclude y triple dash is equal to, what is y double dash, guys?
x3.
X3. So you can give minus 3 x3. Good. Minus 2, what is y dash? X2. Minus 2 x2. What is y?
X1.
Y. X1. So that r of t nothing but u of t. So since in a question they are given r of t, let's go with that only. R of t only. So have we got all three answers now? So this answer can I substitute in place of x3 dot? Can I? So substitute that here. So minus 3 x3 minus 2 x2 minus x1 plus r of t. So have we got all the three state variable coefficients? What was beginning? At the beginning we told only x of t, x dot of t. Now we got all the answers. So now what is your target? You need to represent in a matrix form. Agree everyone? Is that okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So try to write it in a matrix and tell me what is the answer. So you erase this till here. I'll keep answer of this. So this is my x1 dot, guys. Okay. So now tell me what are the coefficients. I can represent this as x1, x2, x3 dot. Yeah. So what is the coefficient? So you can mark here x1, x2, x3. So from the first equation, do you have any x1 term, guys?
No, sir.
X1 is there?
No.
No. It means I can put 0 here. X2 is there?
Yes, sir. 1.
So I can mark it as 1. X3 is there? You will see this and tell me. No, right? So I can name the matrix with 0, 1, 0. Fine. Second equation, only x3 is there. It
0,
means
0,
x1, x2, 0. So 0, 0, 1. What about last? So it's in jumble, guys. So while writing, you should be very careful, okay? So don't write the same thing -3, -2, -1 blindly. Look at the coefficient and enter. Or if you get confused, you convert this. I think is it visible? Last equation. So -3, it's not in order, right? You can make it in order and you can write the things directly here. Or observe the things and observe it carefully. X1 is having -1, x2 is having -2. X3 is having -3. So is it what the coefficient, guys, for my x term? Agree till here?
Yes, sir.
Plus. So I should write a term with respect to my u of t. So in place of u of t, r of t is there. Both are same only. So you can represent u of t or r of t according to question. So now tell me where exactly the coefficient is. So there is no
0,
coefficient
0.
in x1, x2. Only it is there in x3. That is positive 1. So can I write as 0, 0, 1, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what ultimate answer for my state equation. I hope everyone got these steps and how to solve a problem for such type of problem. Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now that is not the end. I need to get the output equation also. So what is the output equation? At the beginning we have made assumption, right? So now I want output equation. So output is y. So what is the assumption you have taken? X1 is equal to y. So can I take this itself as output? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So from this, what is the conclusion, guys? So do you have any term for x2, x3?
No, sir.
So only x1 is there, means it's 1, 0, 0 corresponding x1, x2, x3, and y terms mean u of term is not there, so it is going to become 0. So is it in the form of what? Which form it is? C into x of t plus d into u of t. I hope everyone got the logic, the way to solve such type of problem if your question is given in terms of like a difference equation. So we're going to call it as a difference equation. Is it okay till here?
Yes.
Any doubts, anyone with this type of problem? Shall I give one problem for you? Will solve now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So write on next one. So I wanted to solve this. Write on. Second question. So question is same. You need to obtain a state model for the given equation. So the equation is 4c triple dot. See, however, the question is according to that you should play. So don't blindly put x, y, z. What you learn according to question you should play with respect to that corresponding state variable. Okay. So 4 triple dot plus 2c double dot plus c dot plus 2c equals to 5x of t equals to 5x of t. This is the question. Question is visible, written everyone? So let's go with the assumption, then you can solve by your own. Yeah. So what is the small change from previous problem to this problem? Can anyone tell me? What are the different changes you can see here? This problem.
Instead of y, there is c, and instead of u, there is x.
Good. See, instead of y, it is c, and instead of u, it is x of t. Now tell me, will you consider the state variable in terms of x1, x2, x3 or y1, y2, y3?
y1, y2, y3.
Y1.
Understood, right? So you're not supposed to take x1, x2, x3 as a state that as acting as an input now. Means instead of u of t, they're given x of t. So in place of this, they are given c. That means you can consider a assumption that let state variable y1 is equal to c, y2 is equal to c dot, y3 is equal to double dot. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, solve this. So anyhow, you know it's 3 cube is there. So it means conclusion for the first step is 3 state variables. So that is the first step. So 3 state variable. Okay. Second step. So let assumption of state variables. So y1 is equal to c, y2 is equal to c dot, y3 is equal to c double dot. I hope you didn't got the difference. Why we took y here? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed. So same way you proceed with the way how we saw in the previous problem, only changes this. So you want y1 dot. Yeah. So how to get y1 dot, guys? Nothing but c dot. So what is c dot equals to? y2. Understanding?
Yes.
Yeah, proceed and tell me what are the answers now. So what is y2 dot?
y3.
C double dot, nothing but y3. And last, y triple dot. How will you get y triple dot? So what is the logic I told you?
Equation.
From where you can get y triple dot?
From equation.
Y triple dot, nothing but C triple dot. So C triple dot is where? From this equation. So only changes, here 4 is there. So you should divide 1 by 4 for the complete equation. That's all. That is a small change you are supposed to do here. So let's analyze that. So I want triple dash, let me keep 4 as it is equals to minus 2c double dot minus c single dot minus 2c plus 5x of t. So from here I want only triple dot, right? This is equals to, so minus 2 by 4. You can put as, is it 1 by 2, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 5 by 4 x of t. So this is my c triple dot. So here any simplification is possible. Yes, it is possible. So minus 1 by 2. What is c double dot? y3. Correct? Minus 1 by 4. What is c single dot? y2. Minus 1 by 2. What is c? Nothing but y. Plus 5 by 4 x of t. I hope you understood this step. Is it fine, guys? Is it fine to everyone?
So that is minus 1
Yeah.
by y1. Sir.
Yeah, Satya?
Minus 1 by 2 y1 in equation.
y1, yes. Minus 1 by 2 y1, yes. So y1 is C you have taken, correct? Okay. So now represent this in a matrix form. So whatever the equations you got, represent that is a matrix form. So here, what I should write? So y dot, double dot, triple dot. So this is now like y dot of t. So instead of x dot of t, according to question, it is y dot of t. Yeah. Coefficient, guys. So you'll get y1, y2, y3. So what is the coefficient from first equation?
0
What is
and
the
0.
coefficient? How much? Repeat.
0 and 0.
0, 1, 0. Good. Next.
0, 0, 1.
0.
Good. 0, 0, 1. Next, last one.
Minus
So
1
it's
by
minus
2.
1 by 2. Minus 1
Minus
by
1 by
4. minus 1 by 2. Is it correct? So what is the coefficient you have for u of t? So I think first equation, second, nothing is there. So 0, 0 and followed by 5 by 4. So this you can dump it as x of t. So now the form is y of t is equal to a y of t plus b x of t. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now finish off the output part. So what is output equation, guys? Output equation, what you will choose? Output is equals to
y1.
y1 is equal to c. Correct? So according to this, the coefficients are, is it same like how we did previous one? 1, 0, 0.
0, 0.
So just mention y1, y2, y3 plus 0 u of t. So that concludes
0
a
x of.
state variable. Okay, yeah?
Sir, we need to take u of t or x of t, sir.
Here, yeah, you can mention any of it 0, no? It's same only, x of t or u of t. See, I wrote generalized formula, it is u of t in place of x of t. Anyhow, whichever things you multiply, it is 0 only. So it is kept as it is. Okay?
Yes.
So is that fine till here to everyone? Is that okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we'll go with the next type of problem. Problem number 3. Put on. Obtain the state space representation. State space representation or state model both are same. Obtain a state space representation for the given equation which is described by following differential equation, So they are given differential equation in this form. So it's d square x by, d cube x by dt square plus d square x by dt square. So this is cube, right? Okay, so cube, then square, then plus 5 dx by dt plus 9x equals to u1 plus 7 u2. So this is a given question. Is it visible what I wrote, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a given complete sequence, and outputs are represented as, so they are given output also for you. Output are represented as y1 equals 2 dx by dt plus 3u1 and similarly y2 is given as 3 d square x by dt square plus 8 u2 plus 2 u3. So this is what the given question. So now it is slight change from the previous problem, right? So instead of giving x triple dot, y double dot, x double dot, x dot, they are given with respect to d cube. I hope you know what is the representation for this, right? Nothing but what? Is it x triple dash?
Triple dot.
Correct, na yaar? So instead of giving equation in this way, they are given the differentiation form. That is why it's called differential equation. So from this, you need to get me a dot equation from their same procedure. That is the only change from previous to this. Okay. And here they are given corresponding output also. So according to that, you should play. Yes. So let's proceed. So let's give the equation for this first one. Convert this and tell me what is the equation. What is d cube x by dt cube?
X triple dot.
X triple dot. So if you want to represent t, you can represent plus. See, since dt is there, if you represent also not an issue. If you won't represent also not an issue. Nothing wrong in that. So just write like this or t. Both are same. Double dot plus 5 single dot plus 9x is equal to u1 plus 7 u2. So this is how it looks. Now tell me what is the number of state variables required here?
3.
3.
3.
Because of this d cube we can say 3. Good. Next, what is the assumption, guys? Let
y1 is equal to
x1 is equal to x. According to question, you should go. I told you already. There is no y in this equation. So you should go with x1 is equal to x. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So x2 is equal to x single dot, x3 is equal to x double dot. See, in the first problem you went through with y1 is equal to x because the question was like that. Second question it was c1, c2, c3. We took y1, y2, y3. Now this question is having x form. So you should go according to that. That's why I told read the question, analyze properly. According to that you should play. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, finish up this. I hope this you can solve from now onwards. It's same procedure. Only this small change you should understand. That's all. Solve it. So find the coefficients for each and let me know the answer. Solve everyone. So what is x1 dot?
X2.
Nothing but x dot. So what is x dot equals to?
X2.
x2. Good. x2 dot, x double dot, x3. Then x3 dot is equal to x triple dot. So this answer you can get from the differential equation what we wrote just now. So from this you can clear, right? So everything goes that side, right? So if you go that side, let me write straight away. So it's minus x dot minus 5 x dot minus 9x plus u1 plus 7 u2. Yeah. So what is simplification you can do here? So what is x3 dot equals to? What is minus x double dot, guys?
minus x3.
Good. x3. Just substitute the value, that's all. Minus 5. X dot is x2. 9 x1 plus u1 plus 7 u2. So we have finished all three equations represent in a matrix form. That's all. Okay. Finish all this. So now output you should take according to the question. Okay. So let's finish this first. Represent this. So coefficient, guys. Yeah, first equation only x2 is there, so it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1.
0.
Next is minus 9, minus 5, minus 1. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So coefficients of u1, u2, u3. So u1 is there, u2 is there, u3 is not there. Am I correct? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is what a conclusion for your state equations. So if anybody have doubts still here, let me know, guys. So what equations you wrote with respect to your second matrix, is it correct? Is it correct?
Only in x3 dot.
Huh? Yeah.
Only in third equation u1 and u2 is there, sir.
So I think in the output, if you look at, there is U3 also. Yes or no, yeah?
Yes.
So what is the matrix now? So what we wrote 170, is it correct? So where
Yes.
exactly it lies? Is it lying only for my where? U1 is there, U2 is there, and U3?
Sir, we should write 3 cross 3 matrix, sir. For u1 u2.
Yes. You should write 3 cross 3. Good. That is the first point. But confirm here. So what is x triple dot once more? So the equation what you wrote. So do you have any U3? U3 also there?
No, sir.
No. Huh? So what is the question I gave? Right hand side, is it U1 plus 7 U2?
That's it, sir.
That's
7.
all, huh? Is it so, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You just add 1. So it is U1 plus 7 U2 plus 3 U3. 3 U3. So equation is there with respect to U3 also. So I think I missed that. So the question is plus 3 U3 also. You just add that, guys. So after that addition, tell me what is the matrix now. How the matrix look like? So you have all three terms
0
here.
0 0
Yeah, repeat.
0 0 0
You are telling row wise or column wise?
column wise.
Column wise. So is it 0 0 0
0 0 1s.
0 0?
Sir, in first column 0 0 1.
First column 0 0 1. Okay. Second column 0
Second
0.
column 0 0 7.
And last is 0 0
0 0 3.
3. So is it what U1, U2, U3? I hope others understood right what we wrote. So since it is having all three values, you should represent a 3 cross 3 matrix. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So this is a state equation. So same way, let me know what is the output equation, guys. So to get the output equation, they are given some hint for you, correct?
Yes, sir.
So is this okay? Shall I proceed with the output now? Shall I continue?
Yes.
Yeah. So erase of this. So what is the given, guys, for y1? What is they asked? You tell me in terms of dot only. Y1 equals. So I think they are given in how much? 2?
X dot
2x dot means 1 differentiation. Good. Then
plus 3 1.
plus 3 u1, huh?
U3 U1s.
Okay, fine. What is y2? What is y2?
3x double dot
3x double dot
plus 8 U2 plus 2 U3.
plus 8 u2 plus 2 u1, huh?
U3
2 u3. Okay, fine. How to get the simplified answer for this? So I hope you remember this. What is x double dot indicates?
X3
Is it 3x3, guys? Plus 8 u2 plus 2 u3. So only two outputs they are given, right, in the question?
Yes, sir.
So it means you have to get 2 cross 2 matrix now. So y1, y2 dot is equals to, yeah, tell me the coefficient now for x1 and x2. So from equation number 1, so what is this, guys? What is x1 dot? What is x dot indicates?
x2.
2x2 plus 3.
2x2 plus 3u1. Yeah, the coefficients are 0, 2,
0.
0. And here x1 is not there, x2 is not there, x3 is there. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So plus, so what is the coefficients you have? I think you have coefficients for u1, u2. U3. Answer. So U1 is there? Yes or no?
Yes.
U1.
Yes, sir. 3, sir.
So shall I write 3 here and followed by 0, 0?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, second equation, U1 is not there. So 0, 8, 2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is a final conclusion for the problem what you have solved here. So still anybody have doubt? Let me know, guys. Is it okay to everyone till here? So I hope understood the way to solve a state model with a differential equation, whatever is given. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's move on with the last problem in this. One more type is there. So if you get that type also, how to solve a state model, we'll go ahead and that will complete one question for your exam. So next class, so tomorrow we'll deal with your STM, state transition matrix. So one more 10-mark question. So that we'll discuss tomorrow. So we'll wind with this one more method. Put on the last question. Connect, put on the question, connect the transfer function into a statement. Connect the transfer function into a statement which has a polynomial in the numerator. I'll repeat, connect the transfer function into a statement which has a polynomial in the numerator. That is, so they're given equation, guys, y of s by u of s is equals to s square plus 7s plus 2 whole divided by s cube plus 9s square plus 26s plus 24. Okay. So you need to connect the transfer function into a statement which has a polynomial in the numerator in the form ys by us is equal to this. Okay. So for this, you need to obtain a state model. You need to obtain a state model. Return the question. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try to analyze this. See, this is like a problem where you learned in your transfer function block diagram. So you need to split this. So then you will understand the way to solve this. See, from this logic is clear. I need to get that differential equation. If you're able to get that, then remaining same procedure what you learned. So before that, what is the extra step you're supposed to follow to convert this given question of y of s into u of s? We'll try to analyze. So question understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now look at here. So if you look at this carefully, so one is with respect to y of s, one is with respect to u of s. So can I split this to two? Can I split this to two form?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So if we split this to two form, so according to question, u of s is the input. Correct, guys? So this has to be given to one subsystem where I can write 1 divided by s cube plus 9s square plus 26s plus 24. Okay. So this I am going to do cascade with respect to what? One more function s square plus 7s plus 2. So here I am going to get the output y of s. So is it okay till here? If I split this, is it how it looks?
Yes.
Everyone, correct now? See, u of s is the input, y of is the output. In between this, there is something called intermediate output also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So intermediate, let me take some assumption as c of s. So from this assumption, so let's the output of the first block. I'll repeat. output of the first block. So what is the output of first block, guys? What's the output of first block here? Is it C of S by U of S? So can you get it as C of S by U of S? Is it fine, guys? So what is the equation? It says 1 divided by S cube plus 9S square plus 26S plus 24. Yeah, is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now what can be done? Say ultimate goal is to get a differential equation, right? So can we do cross multiplication here?
Yes, sir.
This complete term into C of S and U of S into 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So proceed with that. So I hope till here it is copied here. So the question followed by this diagram is okay. I will erase this because that side it is not visible clarity there. So let me go with here only. Shall I erase here? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, after taking this cross multiplication, how exactly the equation looks? So C of S in this complete term. So C of S into S cube plus 9S square plus 26S plus 24 is equals to U of S. Yeah. Is it how it looks, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what should be done next. So the output is C of S according to this question. Shall I multiply the C of S inside?
Yes, sir.
So if you multiply C of S, how it looks, guys? S cube C of S plus 9S square C of S plus 26S C of S plus 24 C of S is equal to U of S. So okay till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So just a second, I'll erase this. So you have plotted it right. So the transfer function we have split it two block. So one block I have taken as an intermediate output. That cross multiplication has happened here. Okay now. So now we got this as an answer. So now tell me what is S cube indicates? Is it third differentiation?
Yes, sir.
See now the thing what you have, is it in S domain, everyone? Is it in S domain like a transfer function? Sorry, Laplace function.
Yes, sir.
So how to convert it to T? Time domain.
Inverse
So what is the
Laplace.
equivalent of this? S cube means what? Can write as d cube by dt cube. So what I can write as C of S? So represent as C of T.
Yeah.
I hope you're understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Plus 9 into d square C of T by dt square plus 26. So what you write for S now? Is it only first differentiation? dt plus 24 C of T equals to U of T. So is it how the equation looks, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now what exactly we want from this? Can I write this in the form of dots? Representation of your dots. Can I represent here?
Yes, sir.
So if you do that, what is the ultimate goal? Is it C triple dot plus 9 double dot plus 26C dot plus 24C is equal to U of T. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So now this is what the ultimate thing I wanted. Correct? So from here onwards, is it like second problem what you have solved? So by considering what you'll consider, you can consider what? X1 as your C, X2 as C dot, X3 as C double dot. So from here onwards you can proceed. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So try to solve this. So let me give you a hint. let x1, so you got it's a 3 state variable equation, so 3 cross 3 I want, so x1 is equal to c, x2 is equal to c dot, x3 is equal to c double dot. So from here onwards, same procedure. So I hope everyone understood the logic. See, still
Yes,
we have
sir.
completed halfway. Still the problem has not completed fully because you have one more part. Do you remember? Output
Y of
part.
s.
We have taken the intermediate part of C of S. Same way you have to choose output by input, Y of S by U of S also for the second block. So from there, same procedure to get the answer. So before going for that, so conclude the answer for me. So get me answer of x1 dot, double dot, triple dot, and let me plot a coefficient here. So whatever the question was given in the blocks, we are splitting to two way. So one with respect to C of S by U of S, and one more with respect to Y of S by C of S. So before that, what is the coefficient, guys? What are the answers you got? Let me know.
0, 1, 0.
Good. 0, 1, 0. Then
0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 1.
so you hope you can understood all the problems what you have solved till now. The first row, two rows are same. Yeah. The third row.
Minus 24.
Minus 24.
Minus 26.
Minus 26.
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Good. So what about U of t here? I think U of t is there only for the third equation. So you can write that 0, 0, 1.
0, 1.
So this is my U of t. So any doubts, anyone till this step?
No,
Is
sir.
that okay to everyone? So this is the form x of t is equal to a x of t plus b u of t. So I hope everyone understood the logic how to solve a such type of problem till here. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Good.
U3
See now,
minus 1.
yeah, Sanidhi?
U3 will get minus 1, sir.
Minus 1 upon. It's positive, no, yeah, u of t. You're taking C triple dat, remaining minus 9, minus 26, minus 24. U of t is positive only, no? Correct, na, yaar? Sanidhi?
Okay, sir.
Here
Okay,
only,
sir.
see, U of t is positive, right? So I am shifting only this towards my RHS, that is as it is. So it is positive one. Okay. So now we need to check the concept for my what? Second block. So apply the consideration for the second block. So it is Y of S by C of S. Correct, na, yaar? So what was the equation you got? S square plus 7s plus how much? 2, huh? Is it what a question, everyone? Yeah, guys, audible.
Yes, sir.
So this is the second block. So second block. See, because don't end the problem there itself. You need to solve this also, output equation. So how to split the block, we are mentioning, that's all. So now again same thing, cross multiply. So I can write Y of S is equal to, so C of S cross multiply. So let me multiply for complete term. So this is how it looks, correct? So now tell me what is a time domain for this. So Y of t is equals to d square C of t by dt square plus 7 dc of t by dt plus 2 into C of t. Is it what the equation? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
So now represent that in a dot form. Represent in dot form here. So Y of t is equal to C double dot upon plus 7C dot plus 2C. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
So according to assumption, what is C double dot equals to? Previous one you remember assumption, right? First block answer. How much?
X3, sir.
X3 of t.
X3.
Good. X3 of t plus 7. Single dot means?
X2.
Good. X2 of t plus 2. C means what?
X1 of
X1 of t. So from this, can I get a coefficient, guys?
Yes, sir.
So what is y of t now? So the coefficients are how much? So first is 2, right? 2, 7, 1 for the corresponding x1, x2, x3, and u term is not there, so you can write 0 times of u. So is this a conclusion of this problem? I hope you got the difference for the previous problem to this problem. Everyone, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. So that completes your state model part. So what are different varieties of problem you can expect? We have solved that. So tomorrow's class will state with a new topic called as STM, state transition matrix, very, very important for 10 more marks. So that will conclude your model number 5.